Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the heart of Portugal, exploring the top 10 must-see attractions in the vibrant city of Porto. From its captivating riverfront views and historic architecture to its delectable cuisine and lively festivals, Porto offers a unique and unforgettable travel experience. So get ready to grab your walking shoes, embrace the Portuguese charm and discover the hidden gems of this captivating city. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more travel guides and tips. The Rera District, the soul of Porto. Imagine strolling through narrow cobblestone streets lined with colourful buildings adorned with wrought iron balconies. The scent of freshly baked bread wafts from local bakeries, mingling with the salty tang of the nearby Douro River. This is a place where time seems to slow down, where you can soak in the atmosphere of centuries past. As you wander deeper into the Ribera, you'll discover hidden squares bustling with life. Cafes spill out onto the pavements, their chairs occupied by locals and tourists alike, sipping on bica, the Portuguese espresso, and sharing stories. The air is alive with the sound of laughter, the clinking of glasses, and the gentle strumming of a guitar playing traditional fado music. The Douro, a majestic waterway, reflects the colourful buildings and historic bridges like a shimmering mirror. Take a moment to sit on the riverbank, watch the traditional Rabelo boats glide by, and let the gentle breeze carry your worries away. The Rera District is a feast for the senses, a place where history, culture and gastronomy intertwine to create an unforgettable experience. Now, let's shift our gaze upward to the iconic Dom Luís Bridge, a true symbol of Porto's engineering prowess. This magnificent double-decker metal arch bridge spanning the Douro River is hard to miss. It's a masterpiece of 19th century architecture designed by Theophile Seyrig, a disciple of the renowned Gustave Eiffel. The bridge's two levels offer distinct perspectives of the city. The lower deck, bustling with cars and trams, provides a close-up view of the Douro's shimmering waters. But it's the upper deck, accessible by foot or funicular, that offers the truly breathtaking panoramas. From here, you can gaze out over the entire city, with the Ribera District on one side and the Vila Nova de Gaia, home to the port wine cellars, on the other. The Dom Luís Bridge is more than just a way to cross the Douro. It's a symbol of Porto's resilience, ingenuity and connection to its past. Now, let's step inside and experience a different kind of magic at Laria Lelo, often hailed as one of the most beautiful bookstores in the world. This architectural gem, with its neo-Gothic facade and Art Nouveau interior, is a true feast for the eyes. As you step through the bookstore's ornate wooden doorway, you'll be greeted by a symphony of colours and textures. The shop's centerpiece is its magnificent red staircase, curving gracefully up to a stained glass skylight that bathes the interior in a warm, ethereal glow. Intricately carved wooden balconies lined with books from floor to ceiling seem to float in mid-air, adding to the bookstore's magical ambience. Every nook and cranny of Laria Lelo is a testament to the beauty of craftsmanship and the enduring power of the written word. While Laria Lelo has become a popular tourist destination, it hasn't lost its soul. Be sure to purchase a book as a souvenir, not only to support this local treasure, but also to have a tangible reminder of your visit to this enchanting bookstore. Our next stop takes us skyward to the Clerigos Tower, one of Porto's most iconic landmarks. This towering Baroque masterpiece, completed in 1763, dominates the city skyline, offering unparalleled views of Porto and beyond. As you approach the tower, its imposing facade, adorned with intricate carvings and statues, will surely impress. Be prepared to climb, as reaching the top of the tower involves conquering over 200 steps. But trust me, the effort is well worth it. Once you reach the top, you'll be rewarded with a breathtaking 360-degree panorama of the city. From this vantage point, you can trace the path of the Douro as it snakes its way to the Atlantic Ocean, spot the Dom Luís Bridge in the distance, and admire the sprawling cityscape of Porto in all its glory. The Clerigos Tower is a testament to Porto's architectural prowess and a must-visit for any visitor to this captivating city. And now, let's step back in time and delve into the heart of Porto's history at the Sé, or Porto Cathedral. This imposing granite structure, perched on a hilltop overlooking the city, is a fascinating blend of architectural styles reflecting centuries of Portuguese history. As you approach the cathedral, its fortress-like exterior, with its crenellated walls and twin towers, will transport you back to a time of knights and conquests. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a sense of serenity and grandeur. The cathedral's interior, while more restrained than some of Porto's more ornate churches, exudes a sense of quiet power. The soaring granite columns, the beautiful rose window, and the intricate tilework in the cloisters all whisper tales of Porto's past. From the cathedral's terrace, you'll be rewarded with breathtaking views of the city below. The Porto Cathedral is more than just a religious site. It's a living museum, a testament to the city's enduring faith, and a must-visit for anyone seeking to understand the soul of Porto. Prepare to be dazzled as we step inside the Palácio da Bolsa, or Balsa Palace, a testament to Porto's 19th century wealth and grandeur. This architectural masterpiece, once the headquarters of Porto's Commercial Association, is a treasure trove of opulent interiors and a symbol of the city's mercantile past. As you enter the palace, you'll be greeted by a grand staircase, its steps seemingly paved in gold, leading you up to a series of lavishly decorated rooms. Each room tells a story of Porto's commercial prowess, from the intricately carved wood paneling to the shimmering chandeliers and the exquisite frescoes adorning the ceilings. One of the palace's most impressive rooms is the Arabian Hall, a masterpiece of neo-Moorish design. This dazzling space, inspired by the Alhambra in Granada, Spain, will transport you to another world with its intricate stucco work, horseshoe arches, and colourful stained glass windows. Don't miss the palace's stunning courtyard, a tranquil oasis in the heart of the bustling city. The Balsa Palace is a reminder of Porto's rich mercantile history and a testament to the city's enduring entrepreneurial spirit. Our next stop takes us on a journey through Portuguese history, not on a train, but within the walls of the São Bento railway station. This architectural gem, located in the heart of Porto, is much more than just a transportation hub. It's a captivating museum of azulejo tilework, showcasing some of Portugal's finest artistic traditions. As you enter the station's grand hall, prepare to be mesmerized by the sight that greets you. Over 20,000 blue and white azulejo tiles, meticulously crafted and painted by hand, adorn the station's walls, depicting scenes from Portuguese history, daily life and landscapes. Each panel tells a story, inviting you to step back in time and immerse yourself in Portugal's rich cultural heritage. The sheer scale and craftsmanship of the azulejo murals are a testament to the skill and artistry of Portuguese tile masters. The São Bento railway station is a reminder that art can be found in the most unexpected places, transforming even the most mundane of spaces into captivating museums. Even if you're not catching a train, be sure to visit the São Bento railway station. As the sun begins to set, casting a warm glow over Porto, it's time to immerse ourselves in the soul-stirring sounds of Fado, Portugal's melancholic and deeply moving musical tradition. Fado, which translates to fate or destiny, is more than just music. It's an expression of the Portuguese soul, a way of life. Imagine yourself in a dimly lit fado house, the air thick with anticipation. A lone figure, the fadista, stands on a small stage, bathed in a single spotlight. With a voice filled with raw emotion, the fadista pours their heart out, singing of love, loss, longing, and the bittersweet passage of time. The music, often accompanied by a Portuguese guitar and a classical guitar, is both hauntingly beautiful and deeply moving. Porto, along with Lisbon, is considered one of the birthplaces of Fado. Attending a Fado performance is an experience not to be missed. If you're lucky enough to be in Porto in late June, Prepare to be swept away by the infectious energy and vibrant traditions of the São João Festival, the city's biggest and most beloved celebration. This annual event, honoring St. John the Baptist, is a time for revelry, community, and a healthy dose of Portuguese eccentricity. Imagine the city transformed into a giant street party, with music, dancing, and laughter filling the air. The aroma of grilled sardines wafts from street vendors, while locals and visitors alike dance in the streets, their faces lit by the warm glow of bonfires. One of the festival's most quirky traditions is the playful tapping of heads with soft plastic hammers known as martelinhos. As the night progresses, the party reaches its peak with a spectacular fireworks display over the Douro River. The sky explodes in a kaleidoscope of colours, illuminating the city's skyline and creating a truly unforgettable spectacle. The São João Festival is a time when Porto comes alive with a contagious energy that's impossible to resist. No trip to Porto would be complete without indulging in the city's most iconic culinary creation, the francesinha. This hearty and indulgent sandwich, whose name translates to Little Frenchy, is a true testament to Porto's love affair with bold flavours and satisfying comfort food. Imagine a towering sandwich layered with various meats, including sausage, ham, steak, and often topped with a fried egg. But the real star of the show is the sauce, a rich and flavourful concoction typically made with beer, tomatoes, and a secret blend of spices, each restaurant guarding its recipe closely. The francesinha is not for the faint of heart. It's a culinary adventure best tackled with an empty stomach and a hearty appetite. It's a messy affair, best enjoyed with a knife and fork and often served with a side of crispy fries for dipping into that irresistible sauce. Whatever its origins, the francesinha has become a beloved symbol of Porto's culinary identity. So when you're in Porto, be sure to seek out a francesinha. Outra until next time, Porto, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our whirlwind tour of Porto's top attractions. From the historic Rera District to the soul-stirring sounds of Fado, Porto offers a captivating blend of history, culture and gastronomy. We encourage you to explore this enchanting city for yourself and discover its hidden gems. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and tips. See you in the next video.